In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Codespaces in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, GitHub Codespaces can enhance your productivity by letting you develop directly in the cloud. Let's dive into these steps and make sure you understand each part of the process. First, head over to GitHub's website. You'll need to open your browser and type in github.com. It's one of the most popular platforms for version control and collaboration in software development, so having an account here is a must for working with Codespaces. Once you're on GitHub's homepage, locate the Sign In button. It's typically on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will redirect you to the login page, where you can access your personal GitHub dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up first. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address. Be sure to input the correct information associated with your GitHub account. After that, type in your password. For security reasons, it's important to ensure your password is strong and unique to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. After entering your username and password, go ahead and click on Sign In. If everything is correct, you'll now be logged into your GitHub account and be taken to your GitHub dashboard. On your dashboard, look towards the left side where you'll find a tab labeled Settings. Click on this tab to move forward. The settings area is where you manage your account's preferences and configurations. In the settings menu, you should see an option labeled Codespaces. Codespaces allows you to configure your development environments right from your browser, saving you time and effort. After clicking on Codespaces, you'll see a variety of options related to configurations and integrations. Among these options, look for the Setup Pre-Build option. Selecting this step allows you to prepare your environments in advance, which is vital for minimizing setup time and enhancing efficiency. By following these steps, you've now successfully navigated through GitHub and set up a code space. These steps are crucial for ensuring that your development process is as smooth and seamless as possible. Remember, with GitHub Codespaces, you can develop from anywhere without the hassle of setting up your environment from scratch every time. And with that, you're set to start using GitHub Codespaces to its full potential. Keep experimenting and discovering new ways to boost your workflow. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding.